about herself. What do you mean? She had a good taste. Number 1-4. That's right. That's the first.
Oh my goodness! I think they're just slightly.
Somebody needs to clean up around here.
Come on down, folks, right this way.
Hey, your elevators are out of order.
All the way down, all the way across. Come on in, folks, right this way.
This door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. The time is now, on an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story of the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Wow, that was cool.
Oh, it's dark in here. We're in the basement of the Hollywood Tower Hotel. Wow. We better take the service elevators.
For your safety once on board, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator at all times. And do take special care to supervise your children.
Number 6, much love.
You are the passengers in a most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of the Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. You are about to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of imagination. in their tower of terror.
Oh no. No. Oh, that's okay.
Is it over?
Yeah, that's
I
it.
can let go? But I tried to record it. I'll go down real quick.
A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of home, make sure you know just how many people is killed. Or you may find yourself
Put the phone down.
of the Twilight.
Please don't think we're doing that. No, we will not do that. I'm gonna get taken.
You didn't like that?
It's alright.